Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 secrets to make any girl fall head over heels in love with you, fast. We've covered the basics of getting a girl's attention, talking to her, and making her like you, but today, we're elevating the game. We're going to explore how to make her fall deeply in love with you. Plus, stay tuned, because I'll reveal the number one thing that will totally ruin your chances with her, so buckle up and let's get started. Number 10, get busy. Before even thinking about making a girl fall in love with you, it's crucial to fall in love with yourself first. The best way to do this is by becoming the man you've always wanted to be. Keep yourself busy by working on your goals. Tackle those to-do lists. Hit the gym, run those errands, and develop new skills. When you're a man on a mission, you exude a sense of confidence and purpose that is incredibly attractive. Girls are drawn to men who have their priorities straight and know how to get things done. So start today and become that man with a clear direction and unwavering confidence. Number 9, know thyself. Socrates once said, "The unexamined life is not worth living." This wisdom is incredibly relevant in relationships. While some guys might get a girl's initial interest without truly knowing themselves, most girls won't fall in love with someone who lacks self-awareness and direction. Girls want a man who is confident and secure in himself. To become that man, you need to delve deep into your own thoughts and actions. Constantly question and reflect on yourself. It might be challenging and uncomfortable at times, but understanding who you are will make you more confident and naturally attractive to women. 8. Be gentle, man. There's a myth that girls only date jerks, but that's far from the truth. While women might flirt with jerks, they don't see them as long-term partners. What they truly desire is a man who is sweet, caring, and helpful, yet also confident and bold. Be the gentle jerk, someone who is kind and supportive, but also knows when to stand firm. Show her that you're there to support her through life's challenges and celebrate her successes. Being that considerate and strong man will make her fall for you. Number 7, speak your mind. It's common to agree with a girl just to avoid conflict, but girls don't want a pushover. They respect a man who can confidently speak his mind and stand up for what he believes in. Don't shy away from expressing your thoughts and having respectful debates. This not only shows confidence, but also emotional intelligence. By standing your ground and expressing your views, you'll earn her respect and admiration. Number 6, get invited to parties. Girls love to have fun, and if you're not enjoyable to be around, you're not going to catch her interest. Be the life of the party. Work on your sense of humor, tell great jokes, and learn to laugh at yourself. Laughter releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, making it easier for her to develop positive feelings towards you. Being fun and entertaining will make her want to spend more time with you. Number 5, take a break. In successful long-term relationships, giving each other space is crucial. Think of it like watering a plant. You need to nurture it, but not drown it. Make yourself unavailable sometimes, stay busy, and maintain your own interests. By keeping a healthy distance, you'll avoid overwhelming the relationship and keep the attraction alive. This balance will help you maintain a cool, steady path to lasting love. Number 4, don't be a suck. Negativity is a major turnoff. No one wants to be around someone who is constantly pessimistic and draining. Girls are attracted to optimism and positivity. Always look for the silver lining in situations and maintain a positive outlook on life. This upbeat attitude will make you more attractive and enjoyable to be around, increasing her chances of falling for you. Number 3, get in good. Making a great impression on her friends and family is crucial. Girls often seek validation from their loved ones about their romantic interests. By getting along well with her friends and family, you're showing her that you're a keeper. It might not be easy, but making the effort to connect with her inner circle can significantly strengthen your relationship and make her fall for you. Number 2, resist the urge. In our distraction-filled world, being present in the moment is incredibly valuable. When you're with her, put away your phone and give her your full attention. Make eye contact, listen actively, and engage in meaningful conversations. Showing that you genuinely care about what she says will make her feel valued and appreciated, deepening her feelings for you. Number 1, prepare for takeoff. Physical contact is a powerful way to build attraction and emotional connection. On a date, Initiate light, respectful touches. A gentle touch on her arm or a light brush of your hand can create a spark. If she's into you, these subtle gestures can give her butterflies. Start slow and escalate gradually, ensuring she's comfortable and receptive. This physical connection can significantly enhance her feelings for you. The number one thing to avoid. Now, for the big reveal, the number one thing that will ruin your chances with her, never send unsolicited pictures of, well, you know what. It's a huge turnoff and can lead to immediate rejection and embarrassment. Always keep it classy and respectful and focus on building a genuine connection. That's it for today, gentlemen. Follow these 10 tips and you'll be well on your way to making any girl fall deeply in love with you. And remember, avoid that one major mistake. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.